the horn?
Yeah.
2 horns? In the head?
Yeah.
Triceratops.
Alam niya. Habi, alam niya yung name nun.
There's another Triceratops. And this is
Triceratops.
a baby,
Matatalino talaga.
a baby Triceratops.
Oh, so they kill it.
Yes.
And they want to eat it.
Yeah.
Okay.
The T-Rex want to eat it because it's dead.
Hindi pag mga dinosaur matatalino.
Let's go, let's go.
This one.
Check anything else.
Ito pa, oh. There's a bone of
Edmontosaurus. Saskatchewanesis.
Ayun pala,
Edmontonsaurus. Meron pala nun.
It's like Edmonton. Rana. Edmonton. Let's go. Are we in the Dana?
It's like a turtles.
Turtles.
Freshwater turtles.
Freshwater turtles. Let's check anything else. Kuya,
Ito,
let's check
di ba? Triceratops. Huh?
Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Oh, let's go there, Mom.
Ito pa, Sky. What's this? The dance is that.
Let's go. Let's check anything else. Oh, there's one. Come on.
Let's walk slowly so we can learn some things.
Wow, it's a farm.
These are the meadows.
Farm field.
Oh, that's dinosaurs age. Tapos paano na to? Pa-evolve na.
Dinosaur age.
Galing, no?
What's that?
What animals that?
I don't know. I don't know about all the animals. I know the Triceratops.
Triceratops. And this one.
Tingnan mo, mahal, nag-evolve na yung inyong
I
goat.
don't know.
Ito parang pig siya, oh. Nag-evolve siya. Tapos yun.
Mom,